Is TCL TV free? Let's clarify. No, TCL TVs are not free. They are physical products that you need to purchase. However, TCL is known for offering affordable pricing compared to many other TV brands, making it a popular choice for budget-conscious buyers. Their TVs often come with features like 4K resolution, HDR, and Roku TV integration, providing excellent value for the price. That said, TCL TVs do offer free access to certain features, such as streaming apps, Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, etc., through their Roku TV platform. While the apps themselves are free to use, many require subscriptions or accounts to access content. Additionally, TCL TVs don't charge extra for their smart functionality. It's included with the purchase of the TV. If you're looking for a cost-effective TV with great features, TCL is an excellent option, but the TV itself isn't free. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.